Good morning. And oh, you've got a tail. Hello, kitty. Um, this morning, welcome to Morning Coffee, by the way. We want to talk to you. Actually, it's a good idea, kitty's here, because we're going to talk to you about your hands. Your hands, getting your hands on as many people as possible when you're trying to grow your business. Now, there's a few caveats I want to make to that. Um, I don't mean just go out and grow people, number one. Number two, I do not want you to go and start massaging people for free. But what I do want you to do is get as many people in your office as possible. So I am a big fan of discounted things. And who isn't, right? We shop grocery ads by sales, do we not? Do we go to Walmart for particular items because they're cheaper than anywhere else? So um, discount isn't a problem. We're not going to stay discounted forever. But when you're starting your business and you're sitting on this big high number, like I only charge $80 an hour, or I'm worth X, Y, Z, then yeah, sit and suffer with that all day long. But it doesn't pay the bills. When the electric bill comes in, you can't call them and go, well, I'm worth $80 an hour. And they're going to say, well, you can sit in the dark. Um, you as a therapist, especially a new one, or if you're in a position where you're trying to grow your clientele, get them in the door. Get them in the door and give them the most awesome massage. How many of you go somewhere and you think, well, it's not the highest price, but it is, a good price. And then you go and you get the service or pay for the product, and the product is amazing. You're like, oh my God, I got stellar quality service for half the price. I'm definitely coming back. And then you tell three people. Right now in my car dealership, I'm getting that because he dropped his oil change prices for synthetic oil down to like 40 bucks. Oh my gosh. If I go to a place that takes 5 minutes, they charge me 86 bucks. If I go to the dealer, yeah, I might sit there for 40 minutes. But in the meantime, they give me water, they give me a snack, and for 40 minutes, I've saved $40. And it's my dealership, so it's pretty cool. So what would it be worth to you to have, say, a $40 client versus an $80 client if they come in your door and love what you do and tell people? I tell people about my Mazda dealership all the time. We've bought 3 cars from them. A friend of mine just bought a new Mazda. So get your hands on as many people as possible. Bring them in on discounts, not super cheap discounts, but something that you can laterally move. If you're tolerating, say, a $40 client, then bring them in for $39. $39 sounds really cheap, but it's really only $1 off from $40, and I'll take $39 3 times a day, all day long, versus nothing for $80. So when you're starting out in a business, you have a lot of time and no money. So later on, you'll have a lot of money and no time, and that's a whole different ballgame. And we can talk about that when that situation happens to you, which is happening to a few people that I know right now. So right now, you have a lot of time and a little money. So let's go out there and get as many people in your office as possible. So you want to target your marketing to bring in people at a reasonable price to get them in the door, and then give them an amazing massage. And then say, if you like what you got here today, for the next 3 months, I'm going to keep you at this insane price. And then while you have them over those 3 months, they become addicted to your service. They love what you do. You become family to them. And then over those 3 months, you say, you know what I'm charging you. I'm insane for giving you this value at $39. And like, I know, you're crazy. Like, so, at the end of 3 months, come summer, I am going to have to bump my prices up a little. And they're like, I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. And it works every time. I actually wound up Saturday doing some mobile massage for very high money because it's mobile. And because I don't do massage very often, this was a referral. So I did 3 massages in a row in one house, 2 sisters, and then one sister's husband. And of course, I got them to ask me, well, how often do I need to see you to resolve these neck issues? And my standard answer is, well, to break this up, I need to see you once a week for 4 weeks so that we can get in there and do this. And she went, oh my God, at this price, I don't think I can afford having you come to the house once a week. I said, you know what? That's not a problem, because in my office, we charge half that. You could come in every week for half this money because I'm trying to grow client databases for my therapists. So you can come see them for half this price and we can get you in once a week with one of them for sure. She's like, done deal. Give my husband the information. We're both coming in your office once a week until we get this resolved for both of us because he had issues too. So I turned a mobile massage into 2 regular clients for my office. And it just so happens that her husband is on the Dallas Police Department. So I have a refer 3, get 1 free. So I said, if you bring me 3 officers, we love the men in blue. Please have your officers come see us. And for every 3 officers that come in our door and get a massage, you get an hour for free. And he's like, holy cow, done. Send me your info. So I text him my business card with our pricing on it for police officers. So anyway, to wrap that up, you can see how doing massage correctly and talking correctly during the massage will grow your business. So those referrals cost me absolutely nothing. In fact, I got paid for it. So that is the way to get your hands on as many people as possible. Get your hands on people. Don't worry about what they're paying you. Make sure they're paying you something that you can laterally move them into for 3 months. So I'm suggesting don't say like $20 in the door and then bump it to 40. Just do it incrementally, slowly, and then get them in the door for 39. Keep them at 39 for 3 months, then bump them up to 45, and then keep that for 3 or 4 months and bump them up to 50. I guarantee you, you will grow your business faster than you can ever imagine and make consistent money. So anyway, that's all I have today. Have a great day. Enjoy your coffee, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.